Good morning class, welcome back. Today we are coming down to one of the topics of statistics that was left to be covered. We have completed mean, mode, and today we come down to median of grouped data. Correct? Now median of grouped data. If you remember in class 9 we had done median for ungrouped data where the data was not grouped. It was not in groups, it was a random data. Random data means supposedly you are told to stand straight in a line for assembly according to your height. So there you stood according to your height. So if you remember, the first thing that we did over there was arranging the data into ascending or descending order. But here we will not have that problem because the data is already converted into groups. So that is what we have to check. Now here, median of a group data is already converted into ascending form or descending form because it is in groups. Now we come down to method. So median formula, median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L was there also in mode, lower limit of median class. There L was lower limit of modal class. H is the class size, upper limit minus lower limit. F is the frequency of the median class. Again you can see everything is depending on median class. N is the total frequency, sigma Fi. CF is the new now cumulative frequency. We will come to that. What is cumulative frequency of preceding median class? So everything you can see is depending on median class. So median class, what is median class? Class having CF, that is cumulative frequency, just greater than n by 2. What was n? N was the total frequency. Clear? So here you have to do simple application. One extra table will be required, that will be of cumulative frequency. In your textbook, page 287, exercise 14.3. If you leave out question number 2nd and 3rd, rest all questions you have to find the median straightforward. Second question is of missing frequency, we will do that topic separately. And third question is again we will be discussing below than and less than type questions. You can see question number 4. Question number 4 is again what? If you observe it carefully, it is a question of non-continuous class interval. Can you see that? There is a gap 118 to 126, 127 to 135. It is about length of leaves in millimeter. That question was again there in class 9. You had to draw a frequency polygon for that. Here you have to find the median, and the hint is also given to you. You need to convert that into a continuous class interval. Then only you have to solve. Clear? So I will not do this question because we have already discussed this question in mean. So let us discuss about question number 5. The following is the table given distribution for the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. I am talking about exercise 14.3, question number 5. It is about length of neon lamps. Correct? Lifetime in hours. Lifetime in hours and number of lamps. Number of lamps, that is frequency. 1500 to 2000, I suppose still 5000, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500 and 4500 to 5000. These are the life in hours. Correct? And number of lamps is 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62 and 48. And the total number of lamps, I suppose, is also given to you in the question, 400 lamps. So we know that how many lamps are there total? 400, that is n we call it, or sigma Fi we call it. How many lamps in all? 400. Now he says find the median lifetime of lamp. Median lifetime. The formula is right there on the board for you. But the first and the foremost thing, as we did in modal class, we needed to find what? Modal class. If I talk about the modal class, which is the modal class? Class having the highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency out of all of them? 86. So this is a modal class. But here we are talking about median class. So class having CF just greater than n by 2. CF, cumulative frequency. Now your table comes over here. Cumulative frequency, that is CF. And how do we find out CF, students? It is very easy. Cumulative word means what? Cumulative word means successive addition, consecutive addition. When you go to higher institutes, your ranking will be done on cumulative basis, not on single exam basis. Cumulative basis, how you have performed entire year. According to that, your ranking is made. So here also cumulative frequency means successive addition of the frequencies. So what are we going to do? We are going to just add the frequencies. 14 first as it is, then 14 plus 56, 14 plus 56, so 6 and 4 10, carry 1, 4 and 5 and 1 6 and 7. Agreed? 70 plus 60, 70 plus 60, that is 130. Correct? 130 plus 86, 130 plus 86, so 6, 8 and 3, 11, carry 1, 216. 216 plus 74, 216 plus 74, 6 and 4 10, carry 1, 7 and 1 8 and 1 9, 2 ones 2. 290 plus 64, 290 plus 64, 4, 6 and 9, 15 ka 5, carry 1, 3 and 354 plus 48, 354 plus 48, that means something has gone wrong. We have made some mistake. 4 and 6, 10, carry 1, 7 and 5, 6, 7. 70 plus 60, 130. 6, 8 and 3, 11, carry 1, 2. 6 and 4, 10, carry 1. 8 and 1, 9, 2. 290 plus 64, 4. Sorry, not 64, it is 62. Right? So this is 252. 252 plus 48, that is 400. So the last term of the CF will always be equal to the total. This is our check. So first and the foremost thing, this is your cumulative frequency, successive addition. We add on the frequencies. Now we come down to median class. Sir, why? Everything depends on the median class. So our first objective is to find median class. Median class is equals to class having CF just greater than n by 2. So class having CF just greater than 400 by 2. 400 by 2 is what? 200. So just greater than 200 is what? So 290 is greater, 352 is greater, 400, but 216 is the just greater. So this is our median class. Clear, students? Class having CF just greater than 200. So that is 3000 to 3500 is our median class. Correct? Just greater than 200 is 260. Clear? Now can we get all these terms? What is L, H, F? So here now we come down. So therefore L means lower limit of median class. So this is our median class. Which is the lower limit? 3000. Then H is the class size. Class size you can see upper limit minus lower limit. All class size is equal. That is 500. Then F, frequency of median class. This is our median class. So frequency, this is frequency 86. Then N or sigma Fi, N is 400 already given to us. We have also calculated. And then CF, cumulative frequency of preceding median class. This is our median class of preceding that, before that. So this will be the cumulative frequency. Clear? Any confusion? Firstly, we will calculate the median class, and after calculating the median class, we get the values. Now, application of the formula as we did for mode. Median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L 3000 plus N 400 upon 2 minus CF 130 upon F 86 into H 500. Solve it. 3000 plus 400 by 2, 200 minus 130 upon 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 200 by 30, 130, 70 upon 86 into 500. Yes or no? Do the calculations. You will find out. Bring it into decimal. You can see cancellation can be done over here. Can we reduce it by 2? 2 35s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So 35 divided by 43. 35 divided by 43. It is not divisible by the decimal 0. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 8s are 8 3s are 24. Carry 2. 8 4s are 32 and 2 34. 6 0 1 time. 43 1s are 43. 10 minus 7 3 7. 6 5 minus 4 1. Again 0. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Let us try as 4. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 4s are 16 and 1 17. Is it more? It is not divisible. It goes by 3 times. Correct? 3 4s are 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 10 minus 9 1. 7 minus 2 5. Again 0. So approximately it comes out to be 3000 plus 0.813 into 500. Yes? Multiply 3000 plus, when we multiply, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. Yes? And 2 zeros, decimal after 3 places. 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 1s are 5 and 1, 6, and 5 8s are 40. Decimal after 3 places, 1 2 3, so it comes out to be 3406.5. That is your median. Clear? So this is your question on median. All the questions are same. Only one extra column is required or done, that is cumulative frequency. Sometime in board exam we simply ask you to find the median class for 2 marks. You don't have to do all this. You just have to make the table for cumulative frequency and solve it. Clear, students? So I hope thing is clear. You can go through median. Don't get confused between mode and median. Formulas are different. Mode was all on frequency. Median is on cumulative frequency. L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Please ensure that you do not make any calculation mistakes, otherwise things will go wrong. Correct? Please go through the question. It is there on board for you. Please check it. Okay, students. See you tomorrow. God bless you.